Okay, what is up? Welcome to Software Engineering Concepts in Python right here on IL General TV. In this video, we are going to look at assertions in Python testing. Assertions are runtime verification checkpoints that validate conditions during code execution. And when an assertion is false, Python raises an assertion error and halts execution, preventing code from running with invalid assumptions. So the basic syntax is right here, the assert condition that you can see here. So with an optional error message, assert condition, disruptive error message. So assertions actually help with debugging, validating test conditions, and catching logical errors early. They actually serve as executable documentation verifying your code's assumptions. So we'll further look at assertions in practice with testing with PyTest. Okay, so PyTest actually simplifies testing by using the Python's native assert statements, and no special methods is needed, just write intuitive conditions. So this is a test code. Do run this in your VS Code and do let us know how it went. Let's know how it went. Okay, so do well to type it in and let's know how it went. So failed assertions will actually display detailed results comparing expected versus actual values for quick debugging. So some common assertion patterns are also here. Do well to explore the value equality, also the type verification, membership testing, and then exception verification. So with pytest.raises value error. So do well to test these and let us know in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Let's move on to the next playlist. This is IL the General.